welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make 3 pens. So the first pen we're going to make is Faith Over Fear. And I'm going to open it so that I can show you guys how to make it if you want to make this pen. So the things that you will need is this like half circle red kind of. You will need this red heart. And you will need this spiky dark blue ball. And then the topper will say Faith Over Fear. So first, I opened mine from the bottom like this. So I'm going to have to grab the topper first. So I'm going to need to grab Faith Over Fear and put it at the top. So now, I am going to need to grab the heart, the red heart, and I'm going to need that to go right underneath Faith Over Fear. Next, I'm going to grab the dark blue spiky ball and put that underneath. And then the last thing that I'm going to put is half red circle ball. And now our pen is finished, and now I'm going to show you. Now we are going to do the Stay Positive pen. So it opened from the top this time, so I'm going to need to put the bottom on first. So I'm going to need this like white, I don't know what shape this is. So I'm going to put this like white bead and put it right at the bottom. Then I'm going to grab this black circle and put that in the middle. And then I'm going to grab the Stay Positive topper. So this is the pen that we made. And now the next pen that I'm going to make is You Are Enough. I'm going to open it so I can show you how to make this last pen. So it opened from the top again, so I'm going to need to grab the bottom again. It's this shape again, and it's kind of like a tan mixed with yellow. So I'm going to put that on the bottom. Then I'm going to put a green small ball in the middle. And then I'm going to grab the top of that says You Are Enough with a flower in the middle. And then a bunch of hearts are around it. Now I'm going to grab the little things so that I can close. And this is what the pen looks like. Alright, so these are the 3 pens that we made.